So this is my cat Chloe, and as you can see, hi Chloe. Okay, let me just get him to sit down for a second. I'll do it in a cute way. Come here, say it like that, say it like that. Say it like that. Here, that's a good boy. That's a good boy. Hey, hey. So this is Chloe. It's Chloe. Her name's Chloe. And on his paws, as you can see, we had to get his nails taken out because our neighbor, her cat was scratching on the couches, and we didn't want that. And so we had to take out all of her nails on her only on these paws. But on these paws, you get okay. Hey, it's okay. Hey, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. And on these ones, we have the nails. Right there, see? Her front legs don't have nails, and her back legs do have nails. And she had lots of surgery, and I don't want to show the other parts. It's a he. It's just Chloe with a K. We didn't know any more, so we just had to name it Chloe. I wouldn't name it Tom. And his full name is Chloe Candy Draper. Chloe, his real name. His middle name is Candy. If you never played 5 Nights at Candy's, that's what I named it from, Candy. Good cat. And this cat's very, very playful. I'll never sell him. Hey, it's okay. Hey, but he's pretty strong. Come here, cat. You like that? Look at them. And so that's going to be the end of the video. Remember, my last video yesterday, always become Super Saiyan. Okay? See you guys. Make sure to subscribe and comment, okay?